The other day I came here and I faced my biggest fear by touching a giant snake. So we are now heading in. We're gonna go see some monkeys. We're gonna have a great day, and it's beautiful here. Oh my God, there's literally a lion roaring. I've never heard a lion roar in real life. That's insane.
That's pretty much it. Any questions?
Can we ride the lion?
No, absolutely not.
I will die. There's a sloth in there. Sid the sloth. Look at it. I mean, listen, we're in the rainforest right now.
Yeah.
Oh my God. No way.
Reward him for his treat. You guys are, of course, gonna give him a treat.
Do you throw it?
Yeah, so you're actually gonna toss it, he will catch it. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
Oh, he got it! The surprise is gonna be coming very soon, okay? We're gonna be holding monkeys.